of semicolon.
1. It represents the pause of greater importance. Then that's shown by the comma. It is used to mark off phrases.
For example, Adam was a brave, large-hearted man, and we all honored him. Use of inverted commas.
1. They are used to enclose quotation.
For example, Alex said, "I am very tired." Jessica said, "The party is on Monday." You like him. I sit in disbelief. Use of dash.
1. It is used to indicate an abrupt stop or change of thought.
For example, the American flag has 3 colors: red, white, and blue. If my son were alive, but why lament the past?
2. To resume a scattered subject.
For example, parents, siblings, relatives all deserted me at that time. Use of question mark.
It is used at the end of a direct question.
For example, what is your name? What are you doing? Where are you going? Where are you from?
Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates.